Hello, everybody. My name is Jason Wampler. This is another episode of AnAxToGrind. Hey, my two companies are Wampler Company. That's a publishing company. Uh, wrote 4 books. I'm trying to self-publish. I'll tell you about that later. My other my other company is Armstrong BlackRock. That's general engineering, mechanical design, electrical industrial design company. I got some things to share with. I'm gonna post another video, calling it the Rocket Minute. We're gonna continue that show. I don't quite like my hair, but I don't really care about that. I wanted to say something about the difference between corkscrew crankshafts and flat plane crankshafts. I know that the Europeans love flat plane crankshafts, including Ferrari, who is in the shit box with me right now. I don't like Ferrari. I don't like their attitude. I think their cars are ugly piles of crap. And the fact they can't be worked on, they're too expensive to be fixed, is indicated by the fact when they get old and problematic, they're like old people. Their owners just park them somewhere near a rest facility, leave them on the side of the road to rot. So a lot of Ferraris are just getting abandoned right now because nobody wants to fix the pieces of crap. Let me tell you something about flat plane crankshafts. Having looked at it, I just had an epiphany as an industrial design engineer and as a mechanic. I'm going to tell you one thing right now. Flat plane crankshafts are, drumroll please, you ready for this? They're made from a single bar stock of steel. They're not made from round stock. Bar stock steel is less expensive and it's easier to machine. The reason why Europeans use flat plane crankshaft design is simply this. It is more cost effective. It's less expensive. It's almost half as expensive to make a flat plane crankshaft than it is to make a full rotary or corkscrew crankshaft, which is what most American engine makers do, which is an irony because American engines are dog shit. Except for the Mustang 5.0, it still has. I built a second generation Coyote. It's actually a very impressive motor. It does have some weak points I'll talk to you about. Flat plane crankshafts, they're not that big of a deal. It's hard to get the engines tuned and running right. They're just a lot cheaper, less machine work to make a crankshaft out of a piece of bar stock than it is out of a giant barrel of a very, very expensive flow cast selenium steel, which now crankshafts should be made anyway. My name is Jason Wampler. It's been another episode of An Axe to Grind. Talk to you guys later.